All right, so another term that we use during our inspections is spot defect. We would use this term to describe an area of an anomaly we observe on the shingles. Doesn't appear to be storm-related damage, doesn't exactly appear to be mechanical damage either, which may be like somebody dropping a tool on the shingle and leaving a mark behind. Spot defect is more commonly used to notate a spot in the shingle that appears to be, you know, like it came from when the shingle was manufactured in a factory. So very large open sore, so to speak, on this shingle right here. A lot of fiberglass exposed, some granules removed. Now, this is not exactly a circular blemish, certainly doesn't resemble a hail strike on this shingle, and we don't have any collateral evidence to back up trying to call this a possible hail strike. So how does something like this occur? Very quite possibly, you heard me talking about blistering in another video segment. So during the production of asphalt composition shingles, as the fiberglass is going through a system of rollers, being coated with bitumen, and then also having granules laid on top of it, if there's any kind of foreign substance or material that somehow finds its way onto that fiberglass mat before it goes through the coating machines, even water or a drop of oil or lubricant from the machines themselves or something of that nature, if it gets onto the fiberglass and it goes through the bitumen coating machine and then the granule coating machine, it produces a slight anomaly in that product. Now, you might not catch it immediately during production, but after the shingle has been produced, packaged, brought out to the property, put on a roof, then 15 years goes by, sun, weathering, exposure, all of that good stuff, then you may see a spot like this where that small, very slight imperfection in the shingle is now rearing its ugly head, right? This is not storm-related damage. There's no evidence to support calling this storm-related damage. That's why we refer to it as a spot defect.